By the time you hit 60, you start to feel it. Your skin loses firmness, your joints feel stiff, and healing takes longer than it used to. And while most people blame aging, there's something else going on under the surface, a silent collagen crisis. Collagen is the structural glue that holds your body together. It keeps your skin firm, your bones strong, and your joints cushioned. But starting in your 30-second collagen production slows down by about 1% each year. By the time you're 60, you've lost more than half of your natural supply. And here's the kicker. Some of the shellfish you might be eating regularly are secretly making it worse. But there's good news. A few overlooked shellfish, when prepared the right way, can actually help your body regenerate collagen by as much as 40%. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 best shellfish for collagen and the 3 worst, and how to eat them to protect your skin, joints, and bones as you age. Before we dive in, leave a comment. What's your favorite shellfish dish? You might want to rethink it by the end of this video. Let's get into it, starting with the first collagen-boosting hero most people overlook. Number 3, the shellfish that builds collagen: scallops. Scallops aren't just fancy appetizers, they're powerful collagen boosters. A study in marine drugs showed that scallop mussel extract increased type I collagen production in skin cells by over 22% within 48 hours. That's the type of collagen responsible for firm skin, strong bones, and elastic tendons. Scallops are packed with glycine, one of the key amino acids your body needs to build collagen. They also contain zinc and copper, which are essential for creating and stabilizing collagen molecules. Another big plus: scallops are low in inflammatory fats. That's important because chronic inflammation speeds up collagen breakdown. When you eat scallops, you're not only supplying your body with the building blocks, you're also protecting what you already have. How to prepare them? Steam or grill them lightly with lemon and parsley. Lemon adds vitamin C, which helps your body actually stitch collagen fibers together. Add a small drizzle of olive oil to support nutrient absorption. What to avoid? Don't fry them. Avoid frozen scallops, soaked in phosphates. Those additives strip away key minerals like magnesium and potassium, which your body needs to regulate collagen. Number 2, oysters, the unexpected skin and joint savior. You may have heard oysters are good for your love life, but they're even better for your collagen. One medium oyster contains more than 90 milligrams of zinc. That's over 800% of your daily requirement. Zinc is essential for activating fibroblasts, the skin cells responsible for producing collagen. A zinc deficiency can slash collagen content in your skin by more than half. Oysters also provide copper, selenium, and taurine. Taurine is an amino acid that protects collagen by preventing glycation, a damaging process where sugar binds to collagen fibers and makes them stiff and brittle. Even better, oysters contain marine collagen peptides, short chains of amino acids that your body absorbs quickly. That makes them more effective than most powders or pills. How to prepare them? Eat raw if possible, or steam them lightly. A squeeze of lemon adds both flavor and a hit of vitamin C. What to avoid? Fried oysters, breadcrumb coatings, or heavy butter sauces. They cancel out the benefits. Number 1, shrimp, the ultimate collagen defender. Shrimp are loaded with glycine and proline, 2 amino acids your body must have to build collagen. But the real power lies in a reddish-orange pigment called astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is one of the most potent natural antioxidants in the world. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that astaxanthin not only boosts collagen production, but also blocks collagenase, the enzyme that breaks down collagen. In one trial, astaxanthin reduced collagen degradation by 56% in just 4 weeks. Shrimp also contain selenium and marine collagen in their shells. When you boil shrimp shells into broth, you extract natural collagen peptides that support joint health and skin repair, similar to bone broth. How to prepare them? Steam or lightly pan-sear in avocado oil. Add turmeric or black pepper. Both reduce inflammation and enhance collagen protection. What to avoid? Deep frying. The oils used in frying oxidize and destroy the antioxidants. Also avoid farmed shrimp, fed soy pellets, dyes, and antibiotics. Choose wild-caught instead. Bonus tip: add lemon or tomato. The vitamin C helps your body absorb iron, which is also needed for collagen synthesis. Now that we've covered the top collagen boosters, it's time to flip the script, because not all shellfish are helpful. In fact, some are straight up dangerous when it comes to your collagen health, especially after 60. Let's start with a common one most people don't even realize is harmful. Number 3. The shellfish that destroys collagen: imitation crab, surimi. Imitation crab looks like crab, but it's a processed product made of white fish, paste sugar starch, and chemical additives. Just one stick can have over 400 milligrams of sodium and hidden sugars. That's a problem. High sodium dehydrates your skin cells, which makes them collapse and lose firmness. Added sugars accelerate glycation, the process that stiffens and deforms collagen fibers. One study in clinical dermatology showed that glycation-related collagen damage reduced skin elasticity by 33% in older adults. Worse still, many imitation crab products contain phosphates, which leach calcium from your bones, weakening the very structure that collagen support. What to do instead? Eat real crab meat or wild-caught white fish. They contain protein without the added chemicals and sodium. Number 2. The shellfish that destroys collagen: farm-raised mussels. Mussels might seem healthy, especially when served steamed in garlic and white wine. But farm-raised mussels, especially imported ones, often contain high levels of microplastics and heavy metals. Why? Mussels are filter feeders. They suck in seawater and trap nutrients, but also trap pollutants. A 2021 study in Environmental Science and Technology found farmed mussels had some of the highest microplastic levels of any seafood, up to 5.6 particles per gram. Microplastics trigger oxidative stress, which damages collagen-producing cells. Meanwhile, heavy metals like cadmium, arsenic, and lead displace minerals like zinc and copper, essential for collagen formation. One study in toxicology reports found cadmium exposure reduced collagen gene expression by 40% in mice. How to protect yourself? Only buy wild-caught mussels from clean waters. If the label doesn't say wild-caught, skip it. Number 1. The shellfish that destroys collagen: lobster. Lobster seems like a healthy, luxurious option, but for seniors focused on protecting collagen, it can be one of the worst choices, especially the way it's usually prepared. Lobsters are bottom feeders, which means they often absorb heavy metals like mercury and cadmium. One study in Chemosphere found lobster tails from industrial waters had mercury levels above safe consumption limit. Mercury disrupts fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen. It also blocks selenium, a mineral needed to stabilize the enzymes that build collagen. But that's not all. Most lobster dishes are soaked in butter or rich sauces. That's a big problem, especially for seniors. Saturated fat increases inflammation, and inflammation activates enzymes that literally cut collagen fibers apart. In one study from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, high saturated fat intake increased collagen breakdown markers by 31% in just 10 days. The sodium content is also sky high. One restaurant-style lobster tail can pack over 800 milligrams of salt, more than half the recommended daily amount for older adults. Can lobster be collagen safe? Technically, yes, if it's wild-caught, steamed, and served plain with lemon or herbs. But realistically, most people aren't eating it that way. For seniors, lobster is best enjoyed as an occasional treat, not a staple. After 60, collagen is no longer optional. It's essential for keeping your body strong, stable, and youthful from the inside out. And now you know how your seafood choices can help or hurt that process. Most people over 60 think they need pills, powders, or expensive creams to fight aging. But you don't. You just need the right foods. And now you know exactly which ones. If this helped you, hit the like button. Share it with someone over 60 who eat seafood every week without realizing what it might be doing to their collagen. Drop a comment below. Which shellfish surprised you the most? And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Switch for more science-backed health advice made for your age, your body, and your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.